Good morning, good evening, Mr. X's class. We're here to talk about the word transfer, which was actually the word from yesterday. I'm one day behind because I was attending a field trip with the history class. So transfer is a verb, and it has one meaning that's on our card, which is to move somebody or something from one place to another. Or sometimes that can be figuratively moving, like it could be in somebody's mind or something, but it's kind of like one place to another is the idea. So it basically means move. What's the difference from the word move? I would say transfer is formal. It's usually something official and formal. So, and we use it a lot for money or for work. If like a company makes somebody move to another city, we say they transferred that person. You're working for a big company, they move you to a new place. So, like an example here, my company transferred me to Hawaii, which I'm sure people would like. Or I transferred money between my accounts. We use that a lot for money, like when you go to your bank account. And notice that the past of transfer has two R's. So if you're writing it in past tense, put two R's. So the sentence over here is, with the widespread use of railroads, it is faster and cheaper to transfer goods, which is like goods, mercancía, things that you're selling. Move them. Spanish, trasladar y transferir. Word families. So we did the same thing we do sometimes. We put it's the same word, transfer, but we put the noun meaning as a word family because we thought it was less common. But a transfer is when this happens, when you move somebody or something. Transferable, you guys should know what that is by now because you've seen a lot of words with able. What does able mean? Able. Able to. So you're able to do it. So if it's transferable, that means you can transfer it. And okay, then there's this other noun here. This is weird. Why are there two nouns? So this is a more specific noun. Transference is a word from psychology. Transference in psychology means that somebody transfers feelings from one person or situation to another. So it's like sometimes maybe if a child has a bad relationship with a parent, right, and they don't feel comfortable telling the parent about it, then they transfer the feeling to something else. So like if a kid comes to school or something bad, not just with the parent, I shouldn't pick on parents. It happens a lot with kids. If they have something bad happening in their life that they can't express directly, then they express it in another way. So like a kid will come to school and misbehave in class because really something else is going on, but the kid can't directly solve that problem, so they transfer their negative feelings to school, let's say, or to different situations in their life, and then they might misbehave and the teacher says, why? I don't understand. It could be because something else is going on, but there's transference happening. So that's what transference is. So it's the psychology word. Okay, so any questions about transfer? All right, thank you very much, and thank you for recording.